The ruling in and of itself means that Michael Scott is innocent. He cannot be charged with these crimes ever again.
27 years after their arrests, a Travis County judge has declared Michael Scott, Robert Springsteen, Maurice Pierce, and Forrest Wellborn innocent of the 1991 yogurt shop murders.
The evidence is clear. Robert Eugene Rashears committed the yogurt shop murders.
Police say Rashers is the one responsible for killing the 4 teenage girls, Amy Ayers, Eliza Thomas, and sisters Jennifer and Sarah Harbison. Investigators say advanced DNA testing and ballistics linked him to the crime. Tony Diaz has been Michael Scott's attorney since the very beginning.
He still feels weight. But to get this past him, in his mind, is also an opportunity for healing.
Scott was just a teenager when the murders happened. By the time he was in his 20s, he'd been arrested, convicted, and sentenced to life in prison. He ended up serving nearly a decade behind bars. Thursday, he testified at the exoneration hearing.
No court ruling can return the years and the love that were taken from me, but it can acknowledge the truth. I am not guilty.
So what could come next for these men and their families?
When this happens, a judge by entering a finding of actual innocence, then at that point they're statutorily eligible for some compensation. It's $80,000 for every year actually incarcerated.
Jeff Peak is an Austin-based attorney at Peak Law Group. He says this compensation is paid through the Texas Comptroller's Office using state funds, meaning it ultimately comes from taxpayer dollars.
They may have some other opportunities and options to file lawsuits both in federal court and state court to even enhance that.
So far, neither the men nor the family of Maurice Pierce, who died in 2010, have filed for compensation, with the focus being on their exoneration. So can this legal ruling truly bring closure then?
Closure in some way, in the sense that they cannot pursue Mike Scott for these bogus charges. It doesn't bring closure in the context of the frailty of a human being. And Mike has endured a horrible life.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and get the latest news by downloading the CBS Austin News app.